We ranch in the Big Bend area of West Texas. We love the land, our livestock, and the wide open spaces, but it means we don't always have opportunities to engage with consumers about our product and our operation. We rely on the Beef Checkoff to help us bridge that gap. We look at the Beef Checkoff as an investment and feel that $1 per head is a small amount to pay for the tremendous job the Beef Checkoff does in connecting with consumers and sharing the facts about beef and beef producers, which ultimately increases demand for beef.
Less than 1% of the U.S. population is involved in production agriculture. And most of us live in rural areas, so we desperately need the Beef Checkoff, which is made up of producers just like us, to be a unified voice for our industry. The Beef Checkoff engages with consumers around the world to find out what is important to them, and then helps to equip us as producers to address their concerns and share the facts about our operations. Through social media, the Master of Beef Advocacy Program, Pasture to Plate programs, and several other avenues, the Beef Checkoff is leading the charge in getting the positive messages about beef out to consumers. The Beef Checkoff understands that consumers want to know where their food comes from. They want to know it is sustainable. They want to know that it is nutritious. They want to know that we care about our livestock. They want products that fit their busy lifestyle and their budget. The Beef Checkoff gets these messages out on our behalf so that we can focus on what we do best, taking care of the land and our livestock, and producing a safe, nutritious product for consumers around the world.